Article 12, circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. The following are exempt from criminal liability. Paragraph 1. An imbecile or insane person unless the latter has acted during a lucid interval. When the imbecile or an insane person has committed an act which the law defines as a felony or delito, the court shall order his confinement in one of the hospitals or asylums established for person thus afflicted, which he shall not be permitted to leave without first obtaining the permission of the same court. Paragraph 2. A person under a person a person under 9 years of age. Paragraph 3. A person over 9 years of age and under 15 unless he has acted he has acted no has acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceed against in the accordance with the provision of Article 80 of this of this code, which such minor is adjudged to be criminally irresponsible. The court, in conformity with the provisions, the care and custody of his family who shall be with his surveillance and education, the care and custody of his family who shall be charged with his surveillance and education, otherwise he shall be committed to the care of some institution or some person or mentioned in the said article in the said article 80. Paragraph 4. Any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, causes an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. Paragraph 5. Any person who acts under the compulsion of irresistible force. Paragraph 6. Any person who acts under the impulse of an uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. Paragraph 7. Any person who fails to perform an act required by law